Antique 9-carat rose gold padlock bracelet. This is in the classic English design, formed of graduated solid curb links with a padlock clasp in rich rose gold, with each link stamped. It is of high quality manufacture and has been fitted with a replacement padlock clasp, which is hallmarked 9-carat gold, Birmingham 1989, and is in very good condition. There is also a safety chain for added security. It weighs a heavy 30.3 grams. The link at the back is 9 millimeters deep. The length is 17 centimeters, which is 6 3/4 inches, so will easily fit an average size wrist. The bracelet has been professionally repolished and is absolutely gleaming and shining. It was originally made in round about 1880 to 1900.